Northern Ireland, a place with a rich and complex history, which over the years has been marked by division and controversy. But 25 years ago here at Stormont Castle, something remarkable happened. The Good Friday Agreement was signed, and at last there was peace in Northern Ireland.
And that's why we're inviting you to a very special event at a very, very special venue, right here inside in Stormont Castle. The name of the event is Entrepreneurs Sans Frontières. Entrepreneurs Without Borders. And in this we're going to be talking about what we do best as entrepreneurs, which is overcoming barriers, creating opportunities and building things never thought possible. We have a world-class lineup of speakers that are going to show you how to make the impossible possible. Because we know that as entrepreneurs, when we work together, when we compete together and when we respect each other, we can make anything happen.
So entrepreneurs, join us here on the 18th and 19th of May 2023 for an event which will change the way you think as an entrepreneur. Register now and let's build a better future together.